welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have a new earning app called Fetch Rewards, and it works only in the US, so you need a very strong VPN. I'm using Super Proxy VPN. I've connected to a USC server. It's very strong, US Dallas. Yes. So this is the app. After turning on your VPN and you search the Google Play App Store, you won't see it directly. You have to change the account in your Play Store. You see, this is the account I'm using now. I have to change it to a different one. Since I've downloaded the app already, I'm not changing it. Yes, and you would need Google Gemini, yes, to also be of help. So guys, welcome to my channel once again. Like, subscribe, comment. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll help you with that. You can also earn by playing games and by referrals. So when you use my referral code, you get 2,000 points and I will get 3,000 points. So let's hop on this, guys. Pay you with gift cards. So I'll show you how to get the receipts for this project or this new method of earning. So you just have to download the Google Gemini app. You open it and you ask Gemini to generate a, let's say, a Walmart receipt. With, bear this in mind, you would use the name you used when creating the Fetch account. So let's say, please do it with your full name. With something like this. So you just wait and so you just ask Gemini to convert it to an image form, and Gemini will use the nano banana to generate it. This is the receipt Gemini generated for us. Very nice. So you just have to save it. You have to save it and transfer it to a different phone, since the Fetch app will require you to scan it. So when you transfer it to a different phone and you scan it with your camera. So this is the new app. And you can earn the points by playing games and by doing many more tasks on it.